Hi there, welcome to my channel Prime Maths. In this video, I will be solving a puzzle, popularly known as decanting problem. Given 3 buckets of capacity 8 liters, 5 liters and 3 liters, and initially only the first bucket of capacity 8 liters is totally filled, while the remaining 2 are empty. The problem is to divide the liquid into 2 equal parts, that is, the first 2 buckets must contain 4 liters each. You can measure only using the 3 buckets, and no measurement marks is marked on the buckets either. If you want to try, pause the video, and give a shot, and when you are done, watch the full solution for this interesting puzzle. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Any suggestion and comment will be welcomed. You can follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, at Prime Maths. Let's start solving. We initially have 8, 0 and 0 liters in the first, second and the third bucket respectively. We write this state as 8, 0, 0. Next, we fill the second bucket completely using the liquid from the first bucket, which has capacity of 8 liters. This gives 3, 5 and 0 liters in the bucket respectively. Now, we fill the third bucket completely using the second, which has 5 liters of liquid. This gives 3, 2 and 3 liters in the bucket respectively. See, at this state, we have 2 different measurements, 2 and 3 liters. Next we will try to convert it into 4, by pouring in the other buckets wisely. So far we have reached a state where the first bucket has 3 liters, the second bucket has 2 liters, and the third bucket has 3 liters of liquid in it. Next, we empty the last bucket, by pouring all its content in the first bucket, which already has 3 liters of liquid. This gives 6, 2 and 0 liters of liquid in the buckets respectively. Now, we pour all the liquid from the second bucket to the last bucket, which gives 6, 0 and 2 liters in the bucket respectively, as there was only 2 liters of liquid in the second bucket in the previous state. So we have reached a state where we have 6, 0 and 2 liters of liquid in the first, second and the third bucket respectively. From here, it is easy to see how to get 4 liters of liquid. Fill the second bucket completely, using the first bucket, which has 6 liters of liquid. This gives 1 liter in the first bucket, as the second bucket has capacity of 5 liters only, so 5 liters in the second bucket. Since the third bucket was unchanged, it has 2 liters in it. Next, pour the liquid from the second bucket into the third bucket. Note that the third bucket has already 2 liters of liquid in it, so it will take 1 liter from the second to become 3 liters. This operation leaves 4 liters of liquid in the second bucket, as it had 5 liters in the previous state, so we have 1, 4 and 3 liters of liquid in the buckets respectively. Now, to complete the puzzle, we have to empty the last bucket into the first bucket, which gives 4 liters in the first bucket, 4 in the second. This completes the puzzle. Can you do it in any other way? Comment your answer or queries.